2 years ago with the idea of trying to replace GRU. And with all the servers and everything I got, it's a very heavy usage. I was running upwards in the summertime of $1,000 a month on electric bill. So we started out with 26 panels on the roof, on the flat roof, which is producing now. That's cut my bill down to $400 already. So it's done a pretty good chunk. And now we're getting ready for the second phase of it, which will be an additional 21 panels. Of course, we ran into engineering problems from day one. 90% of the companies wouldn't even talk to me because of the tree coverage we used to have. Your company was the only one that would actually come out here to look at a flat roof and say, yeah, we might be able to pull this off. I've been 43 years now with crime prevention security. So it gave me enough electrical experience to kind of understand it. And of course, your engineers have been real great with me on the phone with helping me understand more. Kind of gave me some ideas, and we looked at the fact that on the east side, those pine trees I had over there were part of the blockage, and I got those trees out of there. That opened up the east canopy. After a battle with the city, I managed to get 2 trees in the front taken down. And then I used to have a 90-foot pine sitting right over there on the other side where that truck is.
Oh, okay.
So it was taken out.
Gotcha.
So, you know, I've been able to open up some. I really wasn't seeing much production until afternoon, and I started seeing 4 and 5 kW.
Mm-hmm.
Now I'm seeing 4 kW at 9 o'clock in the morning. My GRU bill. Doing nothing but going up, going up, going up. Even with the state stepping in now, they've still got that huge bill. So it's not going to go down. Mm-hmm. It's going to do nothing but keep increasing. Where at least with the solar bill, even with both projects, I'm looking at about a total of about $500 a month. If I could take a $1,000 electric bill and make it a $500 solar bill, mm-hmm. that's win-win. I've already cut it. Right now, we're only halfway through the project, and I'm paying both sides of it on the loan, paying the electric bill, and I'm still in the same spot.
Yeah.
Because I've cut my electric bill in half.
Mm-hmm.
Now, as soon as this second one gets built, I'll have the whole thing taken down. During the wintertime, it'll probably be near zero. During the summertime, I'm hoping to at least knock at least 3/4 of that out of there.